Let's see what the curl is gonna give. Hi ladies and gentlemen and everybody in between, I'm back with somebody else's hair and a new product for Take It or Leave It Tuesdays. We're going to be trying a new product in somebody else's hair and I'm excited. I'm excited. If you haven't been here before, I like trying new hair stuff. I play in other people's hair. I use other people's scalp as if it's my own. If you like hair, please hit the subscribe button and hit the post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post. First of all, y'all can see my wig grip. She's gonna be featured in part of my videos. I got the wig grip on because I felt like wearing her today. If y'all got something to say, take it up with her, write her a letter. I'll leave my P.O. box down below. Today, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be trying some rollers and y'all can already tell what I think from what my hair look like right now. But before we get into our Take It or Leave It product, I have to shout out to our sponsor. So I want to say thank you to Hurela Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring a portion of this video. They provided this wig that's on my head and allowed me to play in it. This wig is a 13x4 lace frontal body wave wig. It's in the color FB30. It's 4 inches back here, but on the sides, the lace doesn't go back really far. It goes back like a ½ inch. This wig is 150% density, so she's like not really thick. This is just like light normal density. I feel like 150% is a good density for me because I got a teeny tiny head and I don't need to be walking around looking like the Grudge. It doesn't work for me. When I originally received this wig, it was 22 inches. I cut her a little bit. I tried to do the wolf cut that the blow dryer community is over there doing over there on the TikTok, and girl, I cut off like 3 or 4 inches on this hair. I did pluck this wig and I did bleach the knots on this wig, so I did a little bit of work to her to make her look this way. I'm just gonna give y'all like a little quick synopsis on what I did, how I applied this wig, and give you a few more details about this hair, and then we're gonna get into our Take It or Leave It product and try her out. Okay, we're gonna start off by hot combing our hairline and making sure it lays flat. So I've already washed the wig, bleached the knots, and all I have to do is flat iron or hot comb this hairline so it looks like it's growing right out of my scalp. This is one of the best methods to making your wig look super duper realistic. So next we're gonna go ahead and use some Creme spray. I'm gonna use that heat protectant on the hair and we're gonna blow dry and straighten the hair. This is the best method to use before curling your hair. I didn't used to do this before and now I know this makes a hell of a difference. So next we're gonna put on our wig grip and our wig cap and apply our wig. I use the wig dealer spray and I just spray it directly onto the lace hairline and make sure it sticks to my actual hairline. I love this method. It works so much easier than spraying it onto the forehead then attaching the lace. And I'm gonna use my Revlon blow dryer just to go ahead and set the wig dealer spray. This combination has changed my life. Applying my wigs is so much quicker than it was before. After this, we're gonna go ahead and start doing our baby hairs. Now, when I do my baby hairs, I like to use Got To Be Glued gel and I'll just lay it down. And once that's done, we're gonna be styling the hair. I wanna say thank you to Hurela Hair for providing this wig to me. Also, I have a coupon code down below for Hurela Hair. It is Hurela YTB for $6 off. Check the link down below. And let's go ahead and get into hot rolling and styling our hair. Ooh, the wig is applied. Look at this wig. I love the color on it. It gives me fall/summer. Before I put on this wig, I already styled it. I tried to do that new little TikTok trend, the wolf cut, where you like separate your hair in 3 ways, and I think The front ended up like perfect. The rest of it is not my favorite. Now, if y'all want me to do a video doing the wolf cut, please let me know, because I'm trying to get it right. I don't want to do it wrong and then do a video on it, because I do not like how it looks. But the layers are cute. This video is about doing some rollers. Okay, where my rollers at? They still in the box. I kind of opened them because I was really excited yesterday. But these are some Remington Pro. They're like hot rollers. Y'all know, okay, first of all, y'all know that I am obsessed with blow dryer community products. Basically, blow dryer community is the white people, the non-blacks, be using certain products, and I'll be interested in some of the products that they use. My natural hair texture don't be liking blow dryer community products, but my wigs, certain wigs that I wear, they do. So this is the Remington Pro full-size set of rollers. As you can see, you can get them off Amazon. You also can get them at your local Target. I don't like saying Target because I used to work there, and it is definitely not Target, it's Target. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm so excited to try it. Okay, so it comes with two types of rollers. So it comes with 1-inch rollers and 1.5-inch rollers, and you get 20 rollers in this set. You plug them in and they're supposed to heat up, fully heat up in 90 seconds. Is that what they said? These are supposed to heat up in 90 seconds. So you're supposed to be able to put these curlers in your head for 5 minutes and then let the curlers down, and she's done, she's good. So we're excited. So let me go ahead and plug her up. It's supposed to not to take up that much space. Girl, this cord is not going nowhere. What the hell? Oh, you just plug it in. So there's no on and off button. See if they heat up in 90 seconds. It's already been like 30. Okay, so I think it has been 90 seconds. Okay, so you open the top and then you pull the little rollers out right here. So these pink ones are the 1-inch rollers. Purple ones are the 1 1/4 inch. They are hot. What? Get out of here. Get out of the sound. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the larger rollers, and then I'm gonna move to the smaller ones. So we're gonna section off the hair. Okay, let's try it. Y'all, I'm nervous. Let's start here in the front. I'm gonna section the hair away. That's what I'm gonna do. Blow dryer community, help me. Help me, girl. So we're gonna take the front section, and I'm gonna take a roller. I think I want to do my larger rollers at the top, and these are the purple ones. So they have like this little clip on them. So you take the clip off. It actually is velvet. Get out of town. Okay. So we're gonna take the roller and wrap. Oh girl, is this gonna work? What we doing? Oh, that's easy. Okay, so let's do this section. I'm gonna take it like this and then like curl it. Ow! Ow! Okay, so this is not as easy as I thought it was gonna be, but that's okay. Practice makes perfect, honey. And I didn't get to show y'all, so there's this little clip, and then this has velvet on it. Why do I smell pasta? Okay. Oh, I can touch it and it's fine. Girl, that was much easier than I made it. So the thing about these is that it's velvet, so it's not really hot to the touch. So I was being dramatic for no reason. Like, they're warm. I can feel it through my lace, but it's not hot like that. Let's start from the side. I really would like this roller to get off my forehead. I would prefer. Stop. I can see how if you got the hang of this, it'll be perfect for like curling your hair and keeping it there, you know? And I don't even know if I'm curling this right. Oh, I'm getting the hang of it, mama. Look, my mama watching me. Hey, mama. We're getting through it. So all of my curls are in my head, girl. So that took me an extra 15 minutes to curl my hair. So long hair, for a full head of long hair, I used 18 curlers out of the 20. So I definitely could have used some extra ones up front, but so they're supposed to sit in your head for 5 minutes. Obviously the top has been in there for like 15-20 minutes, but we're gonna let the back sit for another 5 or so minutes. So I'm gonna sit for another 5 or so minutes, and then we can take the hair down and see what she's about to give. Let's wait till 3:15 and then we're gonna take them down. It is now 3:19. We've been waiting. Y'all like my little picture on my phone? That's me and my husband. Anyway, let me start from the side. I'm gonna start from the side. We're gonna take them down from the side. Let's see what the curl is gonna give. Girl, I'm excited. Oh my God. Wait, stop it. We got curls, baby. Before I shake these out, look at, I mean, come on, somebody. Okay, so I'm gonna, let me shake it out, okay. Okay, so what's, oh my God. Oh. That's what the part is gonna be. Boom. Let me get this hot comb. Okay. I'm giggling like a little schoolgirl. Let me tell y'all something. These are the best curls that I've gotten. And I said that last, or take it or leave it video. These curls, look. These curls are beautiful. When I buy stuff, I do want it to work. So I try my best to like read the directions and blah, 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 blah. But I don't be expecting for stuff to like actually work out. I love them. I love the curlers. I think it worked out perfectly, and this hair is super soft. It looks so good on the color. After the first time use, I have to say I love the product. All the pros are, it is easy to prep your hair, easy to use. You plug it in, they heat up in 90 seconds, and then you curl your hair, and it's supposed to curl in 5 minutes. Now the curls in the back curled in 5 minutes. This part didn't curl, and I don't know if it's because I didn't put it in the curlers. I guess I'll see it on video. The cons are, this still takes time. It's like rolling your hair, but the only difference with this is when I'm usually rolling and setting my hair, it's overnight. And this time you only have to let them sit for 5 minutes, and you should get these curls. I will say, I feel as though if you have like a wavy wig, or a wig with any texture in it, blow dry it out first so you can get a much more seamless result. I have to tell you, I absolutely love those rollers. It's a take it. It's a take it. And the wig is a take it as well. Okay, let me show y'all what it looks like in the back. I want to see too. Oh, come on. Final thoughts are, I love it. I'm not going to take it back. I'm definitely going to use it again. Use it for date night when I'm rushing and getting ready and I know where I'm going. I just love them. I love it. So y'all tell me what you think of the curls down below. Links for the curlers will be down below. Also, links for this hair will be down below as well. This was so much fun. Y'all tell me if y'all like Take It or Leave It, this series, because I enjoy it. I just love trying new things. So, love it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Oh, Take It or Leave It Tuesdays with T. Y'all know I love a good alliteration moment. Use a whole bunch of T's. Girl, what? Who's excited? Anyway, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, y'all, so right now it is 7 o'clock. So it's been like 3 hours since I filmed the video. And I wanted to give y'all an update on the curls because they said the curls were long lasting. And I don't think they're lying. So I'm gonna run to the store really quick. I'm trying to go outside, test this hair out. Actually, it's not about going outside. I just really want some chips and I've been editing and I'm hungry. So this is what I'm wearing. Some Levi's shorts. Please don't pay attention to the background. We got some pictures we need to hang up. But I have some Levi's shorts and an Amazon tank top. Girl, I just threw on whatever and I still have on the necklaces that I had on earlier. So, girl, she looking cute. These shorts are short, but girl, whatever. I'm about to throw on some tennis shoes and then we're gonna be out the door. Okay, y'all, so I'm headed to Whole Foods. I feel like a mosquito bit me on my neck. I don't even know what's going on. It like itches, but I'm really trying to hurry up and make it so I can hurry up and get back. I left at 8:11. So I'm trying to get to Whole Foods real quick and then I should be back to finish editing. And I'm gonna have a glass of wine. Judge me if you want to. Have my snack and my wine. Period. Right now I'm gonna listen to some free Britney Spears commentary. I'm holding my camera down because I don't want nobody to see me. Niggas be pulling right up beside you. Ain't nobody in my face at all. This person is not interested in what I got going on. They don't care. Okay, so I'm here at the Whole Foods. Let me, oh girl, my lace is popping up. Let me go ahead. Okay, chips. Okay, so the chips that I get are these ones right here. The Fiery Hot Power Pearls. So we're getting 2 bags and they are $4.69 each. Girl. So let's go check out. Love these. Oh, we got the goods. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, car is really tripping. But I'm telling y'all, those chips are so good. Let's head back home. The curls still popping, girl. They are bouncing. Bouncing. I'm gonna brush it through once I get home. Okay, I have my wine. I only have a few seconds left. Have some wine. Got my gluten-free, non-cheese chips. They are so good. The hair looks so good. Still giving you beautiful curls. I love those rollers. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little after vlog and I'll see you in my next video. I gotta go. Bye.